Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here to just share some MEMORYDEX cards that I've been working on. I like to have a stash of them that I can just pop in Happy Mail and send it off. And it'll have all my contact information for the recipient. So most of these bases I got from crafty friends like Cheryl from Cheryl's Crafty World, Charlene, and also from Lou David, and as well, I guess the rest is from my stash. I could have got these coffee things from Tiffany, but I'm not sure. But thank you anyway for those of you who have contributed to my projects. I appreciate it so much. And all of them have the same information on the back. I just layered them up a little differently, each of them. Here's another one. Smile and wave. Best day ever at the beach. Coffee, please, coffee. Home sweet home. What's up? I actually got this swan and this wave from Tree, who is Craft On here on YouTube, as well as I received these die cut cameras from a subby friend as well. And then this is the last one. Harchu a latte. So yeah, that's my little MEMORYDEX share. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. For more videos like these, stick around, see here. Please consider liking and subscribing. And until my next video, shakas.